more. We just tryna ball, man.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa. How you gonna hop on my bike before saying what's up, bro?
We'll go 2 on the dash.
Yeah. what 2 on the dash get you? Man, I had pressure washing 150 on the ground in the dirt. That boy Leek, man.
You still missing that shit on the casing work, bro.
I don't slutty, freaking, loving, cheating. Baby, you with me, so you.
What happened when you leave your bike outside for a year, bro?
Damn, Leek.
It ain't my fault.
What they doing to them Hondas?
Do it still run?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't think it's gonna crank up.
You don't think so?
Yeah, that's like best we gonna get Team Honda.
What you said, Leek?
Team Suzuki.
Oh man, you the only one got a Suzuki. I ain't seen nobody on a Suzuki but you. Clean as a motherfucker now, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, I give him that.
No cap, that bit crispy.
Make me one get one of them
Oh my God. I would have never thought, bro, I would have seen this motherfucker out here, bro. Thought you was a motocross rider, bro.
We've been through this. I'm like versatile, you feel me? I can do both and more.
Ooh, you got no Shinkos on that guy.
Yeah, somebody actually sent me those. Remember I had them on my YZ, or not YZ, but YZ250.
Put on your YFZ.
No, I didn't have a quad. I had a, you know what I meant, bro?
My God, man, make sure please go subscribe to my boy. You back? Or you chilling?
I'm chilling for
You chilling?
real, bro.
Yeah.
I'm just like in a cool space right now. I mean, I can if I want to, but I'm chilling.
What do you think you rocking with more, the street or the dirt? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I've been kind of leaning towards more of that dirt too, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, it's better. Like, you never know what you gonna get when you go ride dirt. Like, anything can happen.
That is facts, I'm good.
Sometimes the street, all right, we back at it again.
Well, I love the lot shit though, but like the street shit, it's cool. About the
Vibes at the lot is cool. I like it.
Come on, bro, let's ride, bro. You put a helmet on, bro? You got one? That's your shit.
Thinking.
You got Shamar over here eating good hot sauce on the Chipotle. I had that bit yesterday.
Oh, not hot sauce, but that's that vinaigrette.
Coming on, dude.
Yeah. A panda pulling up on me on that dirt bike, man. That bit gonna stick on?
Huh?
It's gonna stick on? Let me see, bro. What? Let me see, bro. Let me see, bro. Let me see. Let me see that motherfucker. This man trying to kick. Freaky bull, bro. That nigga a freakster. My boys. Yeah, a little crispy shit. What's up, gang?
I'm about to LCI in a minute.
Who, you trying to bring it out? What's up, gang? How you doing, sir? Malik.
OB, man.
Yeah, you know it.
Nice to meet you, man.
Let's do it, bro. Hey, it's been some months since I wheelie, bro. It's been some months, man. Oh yeah, that's what I like though. I literally ain't been riding though. You told watch that nigga. Oh yeah. That control getting there, man. My boy. You good? Yeah, for sure. Hey, y'all see we got a great lot vibes, man. Then my boy Wayne. Make sure please go subscribe to his channel. We got my boy Darrius Anderson. Go subscribe to his channel. Yeah, I know subscribe to your boy, man. You know, nothing too crazy outside though. You know, with you? Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Woo. Oh my God. Okay. He's going, huh? That boy know he going crazy. That boy know he going. Oh, we got another one though. Let me see that first.
I'm so close.
Nah. Hey, you close? Yeah. You like? You might well just touch it. Just touch it. It's close. What? Well, you know you beat your meat, boy. Stop sure. Oh my God, slow down, Crowded. Let it go. He said, just do it. I said, okay. Okay. Let me see something. What play? What play? Oh, hey, let me get up in that. What's up, my lady? What's up, my girl? You good? Do something, right? I'm trying to get right. Be careful, my baby. What you gonna do? Oh, he just missed. You care if I take a little air out? Let me see my key right quick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, my boy. What's good, gang? Oh! What's up, gang? Oh, my bad. Oh, hey! Oh! Watch out, bro. This is my content, bro. So, oh, God. Hey, what's up, my baby? Look good? God, dirt bike buddy. Woo! That motherfucker nice, boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa. Hold up, man. Hold up. Oh. Whoa. We got a hoagie. good, boss? You know who this is?
Yeah, bro, favorite, bro.
What's up, bro? I can't get no love, bro.
I've been trying to see.
I can't get no love, bro. How you gonna hop on my bike before saying what's up, bro?
I've been seeing.
That's like me hopping in your AA. That's like me hopping in his SS
Hopping in AA.
and not saying what's up.
Hopping in AA.
All right. He's all hopping in AA. Oh my God. Chill out, boy. Chill out, boy. That boy Fatty here.
Yo,
Where you at, gang?
I'm right here.
Oh shit. Here I come.
Pull around. I don't know what truck you in.
I'm finna come around there. Dog, man.
Drop me over there.
Cool.
Yo, we got to do something big in Atlanta next month, bro.
For sure.
I go get my bike Saturday.
But GT fam, maybe go ahead and end that video right there. We still got my boy Fatty. Huh?
Once I get my bike, we can do whatever.
For sure.
Yeah.
Right there.
That shit clean. Sell it to me.
No, it's not for sale.
Yo, they got a yellow one, all yellow one for $3,500. You think that's good?
Yeah, of course. Is it feeling jaded?
Yeah, it's the last year.
Yeah, I see we got my dog Fatty out here.
No, man.
Make sure y'all go subscribe to my boy Darrius, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to my boy YB. Get y'all in the next one. I love y'all. We out here.